In this video, I'll show you step by step how we made $46,932 in just 2 months without showing my face, running ads, or selling anything, just by using Pinterest to drive affiliate traffic. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy I used step by step. Now, here is what most people don't know. Pinterest isn't just a social media platform, it's a visual search engine. That means people are actively searching for ideas, solutions, and products and services, and you can get in front of them without spending a single dollar on ads or needing followers. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because in the next few minutes I'll show you how you can find the right product or services to promote, how you can create pins that get massive reach, and turn free Pinterest traffic into consistent affiliate commissions even if you just starting out. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Pinterest, and just last month I made $22,439 in just one single month. In the last month, this is my invoice. Recent payment request detail, it's paid. I received this payment in my PayPal account, as you can see over here. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for this website, Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, this will be your home page. You just need to use your email address. Of course, it's for free. And once you finish, guys, this will be your home page. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. So what we will do, guys, is we will join Fiverr as an affiliate marketers, okay? And you guys can check this website. If you scroll down, you can check, you can get more idea, more info about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. And from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying good commissions, guys. Some commissions, it's up to 17% of the first order. The best part, guys, is that they have this option, which is really a profitable for affiliate marketers. You will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months, meaning if those people will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase they will make on Fiverr, which makes this business a profitable affiliate marketing business, okay? Anyway, what you will do, guys, you will go back to this page to create your affiliate account. It's for free. You just need to click here on join now like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you need to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. If you are a Fiverr seller, you can choose this one. If you have a company, you can choose this one, okay? If you don't have, you can choose private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can choose no. Click on country and search for your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here and choose your language from here. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And once you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who use their affiliate links to sign up, people who use their affiliate links to buy those services. What you need to do next is you need to promote a good services that people will be interested to buy from you, okay? And I'll share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting always on Pinterest, and it's getting me a lot of commissions every single day, okay? Pay close attention, guys. You will go back to your homepage on Fiverr. So since we will use Pinterest what we will do, guys, is we will promote services related to Pinterest. So click on the search bar and search for, on Fiverr, search for Pinterest marketing. Not just Pinterest marketing, you can promote any services related to Pinterest. Why? Because Pinterest users who are promoting businesses inside Pinterest, who are running their businesses inside Pinterest, they will be interested to buy the service. They're not just interested, they are already paying for those services. Let me show you the proof. So what you will do for next, you will scroll down, pay close attention. You need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, pro sellers, or yes, level 2 sellers or pro sellers or top rated sellers. Those sellers, guys, will be good sellers for you. So for example, I'm gonna choose one of those sellers. Let me see here, for example, like this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your business and blog. This one is a good one. I will click on this seller service on Fiverr, and here you go. This is the proof, guys. Like I said, people already paying for those services. What you need to do is you just need to start promoting those services. Look at this, guys. 24 orders in queue. People keep coming back. This service is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service again and again from you, and you will keep earning commissions. Okay? Do you see this? 24 orders in queue. Which people will pay for this service? Which people? Only people who are using Pinterest. Only Pinterest users who are paying for those services to grow their businesses inside Pinterest. Okay? So what you will do, you will copy the profile link of this seller. Copy the profile link of this seller. Go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page over here. Okay? Let me show you. So you will be directly in this page over here. What you will do next, you will click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay? So let's go to Pinterest. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up using your email address. They will ask you if you want to create business or personal accounts. Choose business accounts, it's better. Okay? After you finish, this will be your home page. You should know that Pinterest, guys, like I said, it's a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. People are using Pinterest to search for services, solutions, ideas, products, and more. And Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, meaning that you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are doing it good. You don't need followers. You don't need followers to start this business, okay? You can start from scratch. You can start from zero, okay? And all you will need to focus on Pinterest is Pinterest SEO. You need to do good SEO for your pins to rank higher on the search result of Pinterest, so you can start getting traffic from Pinterest search. Okay? So what you will do next, you will click on home feed and click over here on create pin. Okay? And we will create a pin to promote our service about Pinterest marketing. What we will do to create a good eye-catching pin picture, we will use ChatGPT. You should start using AI, okay? I ask ChatGPT create Pinterest pin ad picture about Pinterest marketing service that I can use to promote this service as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. And he created this picture for me. You see this one? It's a good one. You can use ChatGPT to create your pin pictures, or you guys can also use Canva, okay? Once you finish, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture that you created using ChatGPT, okay? So let me upload my picture about Pinterest marketing, this one here, and here you go. What we need to do next, guys, is we need a title and we need description. So what we will do, we will go back to this seller profile page and we will copy his title. We will go back and we will use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank higher. Okay, and they will put my title here like this, paste, and I will click over here, and ChatGPT will create a good eye-catching title for you. You see this one, Pinterest marketing expert. I will copy this title. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title over here, paste. I need description. What I will do next, I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him to create pin description. Just ask ChatGPT, guys. Start using ChatGPT if you want to improve your Pinterest traffic. But because as a beginner, you need to focus on Pinterest SEO. Okay. Once you start getting traffic, good traffic from Pinterest, you can also create multiple accounts. For me, I have multiple accounts that I'm using to promote my services. That's why I'm getting a lot of traffic from Pinterest. Okay. I will copy this title. This description, Pinterest pin description, and I will put this description here. Scroll down and you need to put your affiliate link here. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly on Pinterest. You guys need to create an affiliate website or landing page that you will use to start promoting those services on Pinterest. Okay, and to get your affiliate link, guys, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. And for you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I do have an affiliate marketing old account with Fiverr. I have been doing this business for over 5 years. Also, guys, I do have an affiliate marketing course that is explaining everything and it's going deeper in this business. If you are interested to start affiliate marketing with Pinterest, also with other platforms using free traffic from other social media platforms, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you guys all the details. Inside my affiliate marketing course, you will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting. You will get access to my team. We will follow up with you until you understand everything, how you can get free traffic, how we can create good content that will convert and make you commissions, daily commissions, and so much more. Okay, feel free to reach out to me in my email address if you are interested. And let's get back to the video. Like I said, guys, you will copy your affiliate link from here. You will go back to Pinterest and you need to put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your website. Then you will put your website link here that you are using. Okay, for me, I will put my affiliate link directly. This is not my main account. This account just to show you guys how we can start and how we can do it. You will scroll down, click on choose a board here. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can choose and you can create multiple boards. Okay, you will, so what you will do next, you need tags. Okay, you will go back to ChatGPT and ask him, give me tags, and that's it, guys. Just ask ChatGPT, start using ChatGPT to improve your Pinterest SEO. Okay, and here you go. You just need to copy those keywords, Pinterest marketing, Pinterest expert, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. This is your picture, good eye-catching picture using ChatGPT, title using ChatGPT, description using ChatGPT, and that's it. And there you go. People already promoting services related to Pinterest marketing. They are making so much money. Look at this one, promoting Pinterest marketing from Etsy. Here is another one. Here is another one. People are making so much money with those services. So for people who are asking how much we will earn if we start promoting this service, you guys can see that this service is starting from $130. I will copy this. Okay, so how much we will earn for this one? If we go back to this seller to Fiverr affiliate account, and if we scroll down, that you guys can see that for those sellers, for top rated sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 seller, you will earn 25% of the first order. Okay, if we go to ChatGPT and we will ask him what is 25% of $130, they are paying good commission, guys. Okay, you guys can see that you will earn for just one customer. If one person buy this service from you, you will earn $32. That's really a lot of commission using free traffic. You don't need to invest any money, and if you start promoting a lot of services, you can make so much money. By the way, guys, the commission that I made, okay, This commission that I made, it didn't come from just Pinterest. Like I said, I have multiple Pinterest accounts. Also, I'm using YouTube and I'm using TikTok and I'm using Instagram Reels. Okay. If you are interested, you want to go much deeper in this business, feel free to reach out to me and I'll share with you guys all my affiliate marketing course details. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.